Let's start. Today we will see how to load an image from the network URL in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called MyApp in the main function. This is the MyApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called My Home Page. This is the My Home Page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _My Home Page State. This is _My Home Page State class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget, upon which we will design other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget, and the title variable is used as the title of the app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have an image.network widget. Here we define the URL of our image. Then we specify the height and width of the image. Let's run the app. As you can see, we have successfully loaded an image from the network URL into our app. So that's it. That's how you can load an image from the network URL in Flutter Android. Thank you.